channel. So today I'm going to be making homemade chicken burgers. So let's begin. So I have my sliced chicken fillets, which I'm just going to pop on the side. I have some just plain breadcrumbs. I'm going to add a pinch of salt, some pepper. Just going to mix that up. I'm going to put this on the side. I have my egg, which is for the dipping. So I'm going to dip my fillet in the egg. Then I'm going to just pop it. I'm just going to cover this. And then repeat the process. So my fillets are now ready, and I'm going to now pop them in the fryer. So I'm just going to do 3 at a time. So I'm going to allow these to fry from both of the sides, give them 10 minutes each, and then we'll pop them out. The fillets are now ready, and I'm going to now assemble the bun. So I'm just going to add just a light bit of mayonnaise, sliced cheese, and lettuce, so here we go, our finished freshly made chicken burgers. Hope you guys give it a try, and thanks for watching.